All right. So they have a triangular arrangement of numbers, right? Um, this is what we call the Pascal triangle in math, right? But all they really want you to do is be able to identify a pattern, right? So we're going to talk about that in a little bit. Now, they say the arrangement of the numbers above forms a pattern. I mean, we're seeing it, right? Use the pattern to write the missing numbers in the last row. So the missing numbers we have to find, we have 4 missing numbers, right? Because these 4 dashes here, we're missing 4 numbers.
1, 2, 3,
So
4, 6.
what do you think will come here? So I want you to watch the pattern. So you notice you have 1s here, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you think will come here? What was the pattern you notice here? Think about it. We went from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. What do you think the number would be over here?
1. Wait,
Over
5.
here. 5. There you go. You're adding 1. That's correct. So you're adding 1. So we would put 5 on this line. Alright. Now let's go across to the other side, where we also see the same sort of pattern, right? But it's going in the opposite direction. So what would go on this line?
5.
Another 5, right? Another 5. Right? Another 5. Alright. So we have these 2 missing numbers, right? Now the last 2 numbers, like I was saying, this is Pascal's triangle really and truly. And because I know the values that will come here, I could tell you what will come there, right? The way in which they probably would have developed the pattern to figure out what will come here next, I'm not too clear how they would have done that, but I could tell you that after 5 we usually get 10, right? So these 2 lines here would actually be completed with 10, right? So the only ones that had a clear pattern that I think would be easy for somebody at your level to figure out would have been these on these 2 diagonals here, alright? But this is what the completed pattern would be in this particular statement, in this problem, right? So we have the numbers on the line there, we would just have to put it in on the answer line, and we would put 5, 10, 10, 5, right? In secondary school, depending on what you decide to do in terms of subjects, you may need this Pascal triangle again. So I just need you to know the pattern for the time being right now, and that's about it, right?